Good morning. This is the last leg of this trip until we get to Nashville. We're up here in Mount Vernon. We're heading south here on the interstate. It'll be Interstate 57. Then we come down and we get on 24. We charge here in a little place called Katawa, and it has a supercharger here. We then head on 24 south all the way to Nashville today. It's a short run. It's about 4.5 hours or so. It's 30 degrees. I pre-warmed the car, so let's go. Just on Interstate 57 now, heading south. Got 25 miles and we'll get on highway or Interstate 24, which goes right into Tennessee. Following the truck here, and he's doing +5 on the speed limit, so I'm just kind of chilling out behind him, Autopilot and I. It's cold. It's 35. Yeah, I know for you Canadians it's not cold, but for us lowlanders down here it's cold. I warmed up the car this morning remotely using the app, and that worked out real well, so all is good. Got a stop in 103 miles at Katawa Supercharger, and then it'll take us right into Nashville today. It's a short run. Beautiful trees here. Most of them are turned, but there's a few with a few leaves on here. Well, here's our first construction of the day. Looks like they're working on something here. The Tesla's Autopilot is second to none. It drives just fine in construction zones and everywhere else. Unlike most lane-keeping things, probably wouldn't handle these kinds of lane shifts and those things. Very reliable. We're on Autopilot here behind the truck. It's 45 here in the zone. Just moving along. Yeah, we're just about ready to get off on Highway 24 now. Coming up.
Now take exit 44 on the right.
The two seasons. We have winter season and road construction season up here. Yep, now the right lane's closed. Got a lot of work going on Interstate 24 apparently. Up ahead. Looks like we're going to be crossing one of our first rivers here. Not sure what river this is.
I haven't seen any signs.
Hey, this is the Ohio River. Yeah, that's the big one. You can see there's two spans here. If I look up the river over here, big place. You got all kinds of stuff going on here. Look over there. There's more bridges out over there. And two spans. I suspect the spans is a place where the ships go under here. Welcome to Kentucky, y'all. Let's have a look around here in Paducah, Kentucky. We're 22 miles from Katawa, Supercharger there. We're going to get a little charge and head to Nashville. Just going through Interstate 24 now. 21 miles from Katawa. 21 miles is not that far. We'll be there soon. Crossing another set of bridges here. It's a suspension bridge made from rivets. And I think it's the Tennessee River. Let's see what it says here. Tennessee River. Yep. See if we get a shot down it. Yep, that was the Tennessee River. Five and a half miles is Supercharger. We're going over one more river here. Let's see what it is. Cumberland River. Yeah, let's take a look down the Cumberland River here. We're just off here at Katawa.
Now turn right onto US Highway 62 West. In 500 feet, turn right onto Days Inn Drive.
I guess I don't need to
Now turn right
talk.
onto Days Inn Drive.
Yeah, it's located in the rear of the Hampton Inn.
Now your destination is on the right.
It's way back out here. Hampton Inns are generally pretty nice if you're ever traveling here in your EV and you want to charge at the Supercharger. Hampton Inns right here. Looks like we have one customer. Looks like a black Model 3. Silver door handle. It's probably an 18 or 19 probably. Let's see. I guess I'll stick it in 1B today. How about that? All right, see if I can find the lines. This place doesn't have very well marked lines. As long as you put the ends of the backup thing, you're good. This does have a bumper, which is good. Keeps you from running over things. And that's about it. Let's get hooked up here. Okay, we are hooked up here. It says 30 minutes. It's fine. Watch the power climb here. 100 kilowatts, 120, 30, 44 kilowatts. Excellent. Just goes to show you when the battery's warm and conditioned, the charging is fast. We're still down in the yellow, and for you percentage people, that's 17%. Okay, we're going to let it charge. We're going to go use the facilities up on the corner at the gas station, and we'll be back. Yeah, the 8-stall charger here. Look at this. The only thing I found with color today is a red bush. We are charged and ready to go. On to Nashville. Let's have a look around here. Lots of green stuff here. Everything's green. Look at this. lane here. They let the trucks drive in the left lane. Can't blame them. It is really bad. Welcome to Tennessee. It's interesting. If you're a radio guy, you can appreciate the gigantic towers here. These towers are TV towers, FM towers, and other line-of-sight radio equipment. It's located on this hill here, just north of the city of Nashville, and they use it for all kinds of stuff. Those towers are so large, there's an elevator that runs to the top inside of the tower. Couple thousand feet, I think. Anyway, there you go. All right, we're gonna put our flaps down and get into descent mode here and get into landing position here.
In 1,000 feet, keep a right to take Tennessee 155 east. Now keep right to take Tennessee 155 east.
We're just about destinated here in Nashville. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos coming up while I stay here in Nashville. Take care, and I'll look for you again.